Regional Elections Office to be here this morning to conduct a voter registration for students who have turned 18 until now. Today, as you know, is the 7th of August and it is the last day for registration of voters exercise for the first phase of 2015 voter registration drive, which was mostly targeting schools. We have until now covered 97% of the schools, and today we expect to complete the full 100% mark after doing the 7 schools that we are registering in today. A total of 6,469 students have registered until yesterday, and they have taken the tally of the total number of registered voters in Fiji up to 597,570. We are just about 2,000 voters shy of 600,000, and we anticipate that that will be done towards the next phase of registration drive that the FU will conduct, and we will hit the 600,000 registered voters mark. Together with the voter registration, the FU also conducts awareness exercise during the registration session, and that is targeted at all students and not only those who have turned 18. And until today, we have captured approximately 7,296 students in these information sessions. One of the important things to note is that information sessions are useful for those who are going to register or those who will turn 18 in the next couple of years. Because registration is voluntary, we are inviting all eligible Fijians to choose to register, and allowing them the opportunity to choose should be an informed opportunity, and that is why we conduct awareness sessions. I'd like to also acknowledge all those enthusiastic 18-year-olds and who have embraced the registration, and they have taken this onus on themselves to step forward and take this responsibility to vote in the next election and to choose their leaders as they please.